Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kala here, and today we are going to go through the process of clearing out junks and cache files from Windows 10, 11, or any other computer. It will take us 4 simple steps to complete this, so without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so for step number 1, we're going to be using the Windows plus R button to start the run. As your run just pops out, what you have to do is you have to just type in prefetch. After that, just press enter. You will see a window pop up with many files. Just click on any of the file. Press Ctrl A to select everything. As everything is selected, we're going to be pressing Shift Delete. We will be using Shift Delete because we want to delete everything permanently. So as soon as you press Shift Delete, it's going to ask you whether you want to delete them permanently. Please click on Yes. Few files will not be deleted because they are currently being used, so that's absolutely fine. You can just select this check mark and just press on skip. And that is the end of step number 1. Now for step number 2, again, press Windows plus R. The run will pop up again. What you have to do now is press temp. After typing temp, just click on OK. You will see one more window pop up with many files, and similarly, we are just going to click on any of the file. Press Ctrl A to select everything. As soon as everything is selected, we're going to be pressing Shift Delete and click on Yes to delete everything. It will ask you if you have the administrator authorization. You can just click on Continue, it's fine. Again, some of the files will not be deleted because they're currently being used. That's absolutely fine. You can just click on the tick mark and press on skip. Now, after that is done, it ends our step number 2. Now we are going to be going to our step number 3, which is again Window plus R. Now what you're going to do is press %temp %. After that, you're going to click on OK or hit enter. You will see a new window pop up with many files. Just click on again any of the file. Ctrl A to select everything. Then press Shift Delete again. It will ask you if you want to permanently delete these files. Just click on Yes, it's fine. Click on Continue to provide administrator authorization. As soon as they're deleted, some of the files will not be deleted. It's fine. Again, just click on this tick mark and press skip. Now that concludes our step number 3. Now for step number 4, what we're going to be doing is again hit Window plus R. Run will pop up and we are going to be writing clean mgr. It will open up the cleanup manager, hit enter. So my Windows is currently in the drive C, so I'm going to leave it at drive C. Click on OK. As soon as you click OK, it's going to pop up some screen with some options. We're going to hit tick mark on all of them. Make sure you hit everything. As soon as you select everything, just go ahead and click OK. And then just go ahead and delete the files. It's absolutely fine though. These files are not currently being used by anything, or it's not very important files. So Windows will just clean up the junk files from your computer. As soon as it's done, it's going to be boosting your computer, like all the junk files and cache files are deleted. So now your computer should be a lot faster. And with that, we're going to end our video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button on the channel. It will really help me out. And I will see you guys in the next video.